So what's up, Brad?
Hey.
What are we doing?
Nothing. I'm scared. I'm gonna call on the power of the duck.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, what are you gonna try and attempt?
Oh, I got the wolf shirt on.
Sweet.
Yeah, we're gonna do the 72-ounce steak challenge at the Lone Star.
Let's do it.
I call on the power of the wolf.
Sweet. Brad, what's up with the salad?
I don't know. Is it a salad challenge?
You have to have the salad first?
I guess so, yeah.
Oh, man.
Alright guys, Brad's doing the 72-ounce steak challenge. Yeah, Brad! Brad is crazy. You got 1 ounce. No, Brad, no.
You got this.
Yeah, you're all right.
How many minutes in?
I'm on 11.
11 minutes in.
Kicking ass.
How you feeling there, Brad? Yeah? You sweating a little bit?
I'm sweating.
Are you hungry like the wolf?
Hungry like the wolf.
Steak chose a bad day to meet Brad.
Put that steak in your mouth vagina.
Glory.
I've made a horrible, horrible mistake.
He's close.
The official clock says 18 minutes left.
Hold up there, Rob. Where Brad is going, we cannot follow. He knows what he's doing.
You walked in here, Brad. When you walk out, you'll still be Brad, who ate 72 ounces of steak. Yay or nay? Yay or nay? No? What? They are laughing at you. To them, you're a loser. You're nothing.
Take a sip of water. Down those, and then those two gone.
They're laughing at you and your life.
Yeah, that is angry eyes.
This is it. Last bite. Come on.
There you go.
There it is.
Yeah!
So Brad, after eating 72 ounces of steak, where would you want to be the most?
Well, I just wanted to go home and relax and let my food digest. And
Yeah? Yeah? And where would you want to be the least?
probably pretty much right here.
Oh. You mean at an amusement park on
Yeah.
amusement park rides?
Spinning rides, not a good thing after eating 5 pounds of beef.
All right, let's do it.
Whoa.